Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can send videos longer than 30 seconds on your WhatsApp status. Let's say for example you have a 10 minutes long video and you want to send it on your WhatsApp status. You have to split them. You have to split each and every one of it for 30 seconds in order for you to send it. But in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can bypass that, how you can send videos longer than 30 seconds on your WhatsApp status. Okay, you won't be the one to split it. Everything will be done for you. What you want to do is to just click on the send button and everything will go immediately. Okay, everything will be splitted for you immediately. What you want to do is to just click on the send button to send it. Okay, so guys, before we start, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are welcome to OnTech Studio. What I do in this channel is to share helpful videos. Okay, videos that can help you bypass any issue on your phone. Let's say I will call this channel a smartphone solution center. Okay, if you have any issue, what I do in this channel is to bring up the solution of such issue. Okay, so that it can help everybody. So if this is your first time of coming to my channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop this kind of videos. Okay, so if after the end of this video you think that the video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, so that YouTube can recommend it to many people and they will come and watch it also. Okay, so guys, let's quickly get started. So for us to do this, we are going to be downloading a tool from Play Store. This tool will help us to automatically send these videos longer than 30 seconds on our WhatsApp status. Okay, so I'll just go to my Play Store. You have to come to your Play Store and download this app here. You have to come to your Play Store and download the app. Okay, just come to your Play Store and download this app. In a few seconds I'll tell you guys the name of this app. Okay, let's say that I'm done downloading the app. Now what I'll now click is on, I'll just click on open to open the app. Okay, once you open the app, this is the interface of the app. What you want to do is to click on get started to get started immediately. So guys, what I'm doing in this video, I want to walk you guys through the step-by-step guide on how you can do this. Okay, this tool it has actually helped me a lot to send videos longer than 30 seconds on my WhatsApp status. So from here, what I want to do is to give it access. I'll just click on allow. Okay, then I'll give it all the permissions that it needs. I'll just click on allow. It says multiple WhatsApp found. This device have multiple WhatsApp installed. Which one do you want to use now? You can change this in the settings. Okay, this will only come as when you have two WhatsApps on your phone. Two WhatsApp on your phone. That's the normal WhatsApp and the WhatsApp business. Okay, which it connected to support. So what I will now do is to select the WhatsApp which I want to use this app on. Okay, if you are using WhatsApp for business, you can select WhatsApp for business. If you are using your normal WhatsApp, you can select normal WhatsApp. But I'll be selecting my normal WhatsApp for this video today. So I'll just click on WhatsApp. Okay, you have to give it. So once it brings out this privacy policy, what you want to do is to read them. Once you are done reading them, you click on OK. Okay, so this is the interface of the app. This is the interface of the app. It says we have a video status here and we have the audio status here. So since we want to send a video status on our WhatsApp status, what you want to do is to click on this video status here. I'll just click on video status. Okay, so once you click on that video status, let me just go back. Okay, let's just go back. Once you click on this video status, what you want to do is to select the video which you want to send on your WhatsApp status. Okay, select any video which is longer than 30 seconds or which is 10 minutes long or 5 minutes long. Any video which you want to send on your status and you don't want to split them by yourself, what you want to do is just click on the video status. Okay, so what I'll now do is to select the video which I want to send on my WhatsApp status, which is this one. I just click on this one. Alright guys, it's up. Okay, so once you click on the video which you want to send on your status, to bring out these options here, which is the first option, which is this first here, and the 30 seconds, which is the one under it, which has share to WhatsApp. What you want to do is to click on this share to WhatsApp down here. Just click on the share to WhatsApp. Okay, this is the share to WhatsApp down there. Once you click on it, okay, you say select an app to share. We have the option of other apps and we have the option of WhatsApp here. So what you want to do is to click on WhatsApp. Click on your WhatsApp. Okay, it's now loading. It is loading. Okay, so guys, what this will do is that it will help us to split these videos into 30 seconds. So what you want to do now is to just click on the send button and everything will go immediately. Okay, So as it is loading, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, just subscribe now and turn on the bell notification. It's free to subscribe, okay? So subscribe, guys. It will actually help me a lot in growing this channel with you guys. Subscribe. That one subscribe can help me in growing this channel with you guys. Just click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. It's free to subscribe, guys. So subscribe is free to subscribe. Okay, it's actually loading, guys. So what I'll do is that I'll fast forward this place. I'll just fast forward it to the place that it will bring out my status for me to send it to. Okay, alright guys, it's done loading. So once it's done loading, what it will bring out these options here for you to send it to your WhatsApp. You can send it to your contacts, anywhere you want to send this. But I want to send it to my WhatsApp status. So what I'll now do is that I'll click on my WhatsApp status, which is this one up here. I'll just click on it to send it to my WhatsApp status. Okay, so once I click on it, I'll just click on this down arrow here, this green down arrow here. I'll just click on it. Once I click on it, okay, it will load on my status. It will load the videos. It has splitted the videos, all the videos, to 30 seconds. The video is a 3 minutes long video, but it has splitted everything, okay, to 30 seconds, which is it. Just look at the videos there. It has splitted everything for us. Look at it. This is the first part of the video. This is the second part. This is the third part. This is the fourth part. This is the fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So even if you have a 10 minutes long video, it will just split everything for you. What you have to do is to just click on the send button. Okay, once I just click on this send button, everything will just send on its own. Once I just click on the send button, everything will send on its own. Okay, so but you can choose to clear this the message here and input your own message. It has shared using wasaga.com. You can choose to just clear it, okay, and maybe you can put your own title or anything which you want to put there. Okay, you can put anything which you want to put there, which is your title. That's the only thing that you can put there. Your message, that's the only thing you can put. You just clear this shared using wasaga.com. Then just put your own message there. So once you are done doing this, what you want to do is just click on the send button, and all the videos you go, it will just send immediately. Okay, let me just click on the send button so that you guys can see it. Every video will send immediately. Okay, all the videos will send immediately. So let me just open my WhatsApp and show you guys. Okay, you see, all the videos are sending immediately. Look at it here. Alright guys, it's on. I hope you can see it. They are sending immediately. Everything has been splitted. Okay, I just click on the send button and everything went immediately. So guys, that's how it was. Okay, once you just click on that send button, you see all of them are sending immediately. Okay, so guys, that's how it was. What you want to do is to just come to your Play Store and download the app. This is the app here. The app is called Wasaga. Okay, this is the app here, Wasaga. So once you just type in Wasaga, just install the app and follow the process which I just did in this video. Okay, so guys, if this video actually helped you out, if you successfully splitted everything and send the videos once to your status, just comment in the comment section that it worked for you. Okay, just comment that I successfully send my 10 minutes long video or my 5 minutes long video with one click with the help of this video. Okay, just comment something like that and I will reply you immediately. Okay, so guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe now if you have not yet subscribed. Okay, I value each and every one of you watching this video. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.